Welcome back to AppleInsider, your trusted source for in-depth smartphone reviews where we go beyond just specs to give you the full experience. Today, we're diving deep into the Infinix Note 50 Pro, a device that has been making waves in the mid-range smartphone market. If you've been searching for a phone that combines premium design, powerful hardware, and practical features without breaking the bank, then this review is exactly what you need. Let's break down everything the Infinix Note 50 Pro brings to the table in a keynote style, point by point, so you can decide if this phone deserves to be in your pocket. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is a device that immediately catches your attention with its sleek profile and premium aesthetics. At first glance, you might even mistake it for a flagship device from a brand that costs 2 or 3 times more. Infinix has clearly invested in refining its craftsmanship here, with smooth curved edges, a matte glass back that resists fingerprints, and a sturdy aluminum frame that gives the device a solid yet lightweight feel. The phone feels ergonomic in the hand, striking the right balance between being large enough for immersive media consumption while still comfortable enough for one-handed use. Infinix has opted for a bold design language, with subtle detailing around the camera housing and a clean back panel that exudes modern minimalism. The button placement is thoughtfully designed, with tactile volume and power buttons that respond with a satisfying click, while the in-display fingerprint sensor blends seamlessly into the glass front. Build quality is not just about looks, it's about durability too. The Note 50 Pro is protected with Gorilla Glass 7 on the front, giving it resistance against scratches and minor drops. The metal chassis makes the device feel premium, and despite its large size, it does not creak or flex under pressure. Another notable factor is how Infinix has managed to achieve a slim profile while housing a massive battery inside, which speaks volumes about their engineering finesse. Overall, the design and build quality elevate this phone above its price class, making it a device you'll be proud to show off and confident to carry every day. Number 2. Display. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is fitted with a gorgeous 6.9-inch AMOLED panel that immediately steals the show. With a resolution of 2K, this display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details that make every image and video pop. Infinix has stepped up its game with a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth scrolling and responsive touch interaction, whether you're gaming, browsing, or switching between apps. The HDR10 Plus support adds an extra layer of immersion, especially when streaming your favorite content on Netflix or YouTube, as you'll notice improved contrast and dynamic range. The brightness levels are impressive, reaching up to 1800 nits at peak, making outdoor visibility effortless even under direct sunlight. The slim bezels and the punch-hole camera design give the device an almost edge-to-edge display experience, further enhancing immersion. What sets the Note 50 Pro's display apart from many rivals is not just its sharpness but also its color calibration. The screen supports multiple display modes that allow you to fine-tune color temperature and saturation, catering to professional users who want accurate tones as well as those who prefer a more vibrant, punchy profile. Touch sampling rates are excellent, crucial for gamers who need instant response to fast actions. Watching movies feels cinematic, reading e-books is easy on the eyes thanks to blue light reduction features, and gaming becomes a whole new level of exciting with its smooth frame. Transitions. Simply put, the Infinix Note 50 Pro's display transforms your everyday phone usage into a premium visual experience. Number 3. Performance. This is where the Infinix Note 50 Pro proves its true value. Powered by the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus 5G chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone delivers blazing fast performance across every task. Whether you're multitasking with multiple heavy apps, editing videos, or running graphics-intensive games like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile, the Note 50 Pro handles it without breaking a sweat. Infinix has also integrated an advanced liquid cooling system to manage heat during extended gaming sessions, ensuring that performance remains consistent and smooth. Benchmark results place the Note 50 Pro in direct competition with some higher-priced flagships, yet it maintains efficiency thanks to its power-optimized architecture. The phone supports 5G connectivity across a wide range of bands, ensuring you're ready for the fastest mobile internet speeds wherever 5G is available. The RAM expansion technology allows you to convert unused storage into additional RAM for smoother multitasking, which is particularly handy for heavy users. Beyond raw power, Infinix has fine-tuned the software to ensure animations are fluid, app loading times are lightning quick, and overall responsiveness feels snappy. For gamers, the combination of the Dimensity 9200 Plus with the high refresh rate display and advanced GPU makes this device a powerhouse. For everyday users, this performance translates into reliability, where you can count on your phone to keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle without lags or delays. Number 4. Camera. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is equipped with a triple camera system headlined by a 200-megapixel primary sensor, an ultra-wide 50-megapixel lens, and a 16-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The main sensor captures incredible detail with stunning sharpness and color accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. Infinix has employed advanced AI processing to balance exposure and enhance dynamic range, meaning your photos look professional right out of the camera. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes, group shots, or creative perspectives, and the images maintain consistent color science with the main lens. The telephoto lens adds versatility, allowing you to zoom in on distant subjects without sacrificing clarity. Low-light performance is where the Note 50 Pro really shines, thanks to its large sensor size and night mode enhancements. Photos taken at night are bright, clear, and detailed with minimal noise, rivaling some flagship phones. Video recording capabilities are equally impressive, supporting up to 8K resolution with optical image stabilization, making your footage smooth and cinematic. The front camera is a 50-megapixel shooter that delivers sharp selfies with natural skin tones and excellent portrait effects, ideal for social media enthusiasts. Overall, the camera system on the Note 50 Pro empowers both casual users and photography lovers to capture memorable moments with confidence. Number 5. Battery life. Housing a massive 6000 mAh battery, the Infinix Note 50 Pro is a true endurance champion. With moderate to heavy usage, you can easily get 2 full days of usage without reaching for the charger. Whether it's gaming, streaming, browsing, or productivity tasks, the phone keeps going. When it comes time to recharge, the 180W Thunder Charge support is a game changer, topping up the device from 0 to 100% in just under 20 minutes. This means downtime is practically eliminated, and you're always ready to go. The phone also supports 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, making it versatile for powering other devices like earbuds or smartwatches. Battery management features in the software intelligently optimize power consumption, ensuring background apps don't drain the battery unnecessarily. This kind of battery performance gives users peace of mind, especially for those who travel frequently or spend long hours away from power outlets. Number 6. Software and features. The Infinix Note 50 Pro runs on XOS 15 based on Android 15, delivering a refined software experience with smooth animations and useful customizations. Infinix has worked hard to reduce bloatware, and the interface feels cleaner and faster than previous versions. Features like Smart Panel for quick access, Game Mode for performance optimization, and advanced security options make the device more user-friendly. Multitasking is elevated with features like floating windows and split-screen mode, allowing you to be more productive on the large display. Infinix also integrates AI-driven enhancements like intelligent photo editing, voice assistance, and smart battery management. Security is strong with regular updates promised, and biometric authentication is fast and reliable. There's also a strong focus on personalization, letting you customize themes, wallpapers, and icon packs to suit your style. The phone supports NFC for contactless payments, 5G for future-proof connectivity, Wi-Fi 7 for faster home internet speeds, and high-quality stereo speakers tuned with DTS for immersive audio. These small yet meaningful additions elevate the overall software experience. Number 7. Value for money. This is where the Infinix Note 50 Pro cements its reputation as one of the best buys of the year. For a price that sits comfortably in the mid-range category, you're getting features that rival or even surpass many premium flagship devices. From the stunning display and powerful performance to the versatile camera system and class-leading battery technology, the Note 50 Pro offers exceptional value. It delivers a premium experience without the premium price tag, making it accessible to a wide audience. Infinix has managed to balance innovation, design, and affordability in a way that makes this device stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, a business professional, or just someone looking for a reliable all-rounder, the Note 50 Pro gives you more than what you pay for. And now, the conclusion. The Infinix Note 50 Pro is a statement from Infinix that they're no longer just playing in the entry-level market. This is a smartphone that challenges the very definition of what a mid-range device can be. With its premium design, immersive display, cutting-edge performance, powerful cameras, marathon battery life, refined software, and unbeatable value, the Note 50 Pro positions itself as one of the strongest contenders in its segment. It proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a phone that looks, feels, and performs like a flagship. For anyone seeking a complete smartphone experience that doesn't compromise on essentials while still offering innovation, the Infinix Note 50 Pro is an easy recommendation. This is not just another phone, it's a reminder that the mid-range market can deliver excellence. This has been AppleInsider. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.